Semester 2 of your module of post-graduation in data analytics covers more than 170 hours of core programming using R and Python. In this semester, we'll be learning about R and Python. R typically is for around 84 hours and Python would be roughly around 53 to 54 hours. Now within your R module, you will be having R programming basics so that you understand how to write programs in R. This would typically include everything right from the basics of vectors, matrices, data frames. We will be teaching you how to create different types of objects in R. We will be teaching you the conditional statements. We will be teaching you how to write functions within R. The next step would be about understanding how to apply the theoretical aspects of data science, wherein you learn linear and logistic regression, how to implement the same from an application perspective using a tool like R. So you'll be first covering a linear regression module in R, and then we'll be touching upon logistic regression in R. We'll be then delving into decision tree as an algorithm, wherein we'll be covering some tree algorithms. The next step would be doing segmentation using k-means algorithm in R. We'll be also taking you through association rule mining using a priori algorithms. We'll be then stepping into time series, which basically helps you in the forecasting aspect of data. The next step would be about applying an algorithm like KNN on classification models, right? So herein you'll be using the KNN algorithm basically to do classification. We'll be using Bayes algorithm where you'll be using basic Bayesian algorithms to do classifications. We'll be then touching upon ANN model, that is the artificial neural net model, wherein you will be doing algorithms on data sets using the ANN models. Next in line would be your support vector machine, which is again going to help you in classification. We'll be then finally ending up the R session with ensemble models, which is nothing but a combination of different types of decision trees. Now one point over here is that all these topics will be typically be delivered using a combination of theory which you have already studied in data science module, and the application will be done using a case study on a small snippet of data. Then we'll be starting off with your 53-hour module on Python. Herein you will be exposed to the basic Python integrated development environment. So you will be typically using something like a spider module, right? Then we'll be doing data structures for data analysis, data frame manipulation. We'll be exposing you to NLP, that is natural language processing, which is a very important aspect of Python programming, which helps you to articulate how to convert unstructured data into structured data. We'll be also touching upon image processing module, which is one strong aspect of Python. Then we'll be covering all the predictive models which you have already covered in R. So typically we would be counting in this KNN, we'll be talking about Bayes algorithm to do multi-class prediction, and we'll be doing the artificial neural net model. So we'll end up the 53-hour Python module with ensemble model, support vector machines. Again, all of this will be delivered through case studies. Next, we start with our 32-hour module on functional analytics. Again, as part of this program where we have R and Python in continuation. On the functional analytics side, we have embedded credit risk analytics using logistic regression and decision tree. We will be having a case like on intrusion detection using ANN model and ensemble models. We will be having a default modeling using logistic regression in Python. We will also be having a document classification module over here. From the job readiness perspective, we will again have a 4-hour intervention over here, wherein we will be doing a course review and overall evaluation of the course till date, preparation for the data scientist certification by EM